Hello everyone, and welcome back. Zachary's on his way up here right now. Should be here in about 10 or 15 minutes. Him and I are going to head out to the lake and do a little ice fishing today. Yeah, this should just fit right in there. Like that. Yeah, so I think that these are needed, but I'll bring them anyway. And then I've got my auger and my fishing stuff, and we'll stop at the bait shop. So I think it'll take longer than 44 minutes because we have to go to the bait shop first. Otherwise it takes me a different way, I think. Every time I went to the lakes up there, I went to one lake, then another lake, then another lake. So I don't exactly know how. But he doesn't like it because he has to reach back or something, so he's building this one so he can put like his cup of coffee here. He still has a couple more to put in, and then those are going to be the legs.
Oh, okay.
So yeah,
Cool.
He's been working on. He was just out here 2 days ago. Yeah, I think so.
How often is he coming out? Like once a week?
Usually once a week, if the roads are good. Like he came up, he was up here Saturday, and he was always also up here like Thursday, this time, because he knew that there was storms coming. So,
Yeah.
so, and like he said, you know, round trip for him, that's $50. So.
I suppose.
Driving up and stuff, and it takes him. The one day he was here until he was out here talking at work and stuff. He didn't leave till 4:30. But he wouldn't have got home until probably almost 7. You know.
Wow. Yeah.
We have everything loaded up. We're heading for the bait shop first, and then we're heading to the lake. We have a little bit of light snow falling right now. Today is, what day is it? Tuesday? Wednesday, I think. And Friday and Saturday we're supposed to get an ice storm, possibly ice, possibly 6 to 8 inches of snow. They just don't know, so it's going to get kind of messy. Zach and I got some bait, and they don't know if we'll be able to drive out on that lake because he said there's been a lot of trouble with the warmer temperatures. We've been getting up around freezing, slush on the lake, so we might have to walk out. We'll just have to wait and see. Alright, well I went in there, paid the fee to get on the lake, which I'm glad to pay since they plow it. And I said I have a 110. He said, you're not going to have any problem. Just drive right out there. He said plenty of spots to fish. He said just don't drill right next to the road because now with the pressure of the snow, it pushes the water up. So you don't want to flood the road out. He said he already had to close one road because there was a crack in the ice and it flooded out. Not sure where I really want to go. Got houses here, got a bunch of them up there. I'll have to stop and ask Zachary. Where do you think we should set up? I mean, that looks nice and clear, but there's a bunch of houses up there.
Maybe we drive up there and just
see what it looks like. Yeah, let's do that. See that other people have had houses out here. If you were in more southern Minnesota, your fish houses already have to be off the lake. But up here, you get a little bit more time before they require that you pull them off. You can come out here during the day and pull them off, but for leaving them overnight, you can't. Must be a pretty deep drop here. I mean, we're really close to land.
Are those chipper blades? Those look like laser blades.
Yeah. I bought laser. Yeah, I don't know what to do.
I should find them. Right down to do that. been good, yeah. Those laser blades are no joke.
What's that?
Those laser blades are no joke.
We can move that thing up we want to now.
Are those needles in your pickup?
Yeah, back seat, driver's side. Alright.
Everyone else is taking more high ground. Huh.
Decent stuff goes down on there.
Oh, yeah.
It's just like, well, I said in the comments, I said, well, I'll just buy a new one. I got 2 or 3 of these things, so let's see, like this.
There you go. How many do you want?
Let's put 2 on there for sure.
Ooh, cooking. I can fire this thing up to medium again too.
Oh, so the other side pops on.
Well, I think it's just this one side.
Oh, I
It'll be
see.
hotter.
Cook, yeah.
There you go. When I went to Coburn.
Yeah, I mean, it's a good way to, like people say though, it can ruin it on there. Some people, a lot of people said that they use one of those paint roller things.
Oh, yeah, okay.
And that, then you wouldn't have the holes in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You could almost cook a pizza on it.
Yeah, you could. You could make a smaller one, like I've got that little buddy heater, the half size one. Could make a little one for there even, you know.
Yeah.
Hold it, stop. Now that we're going to eat, we should probably be able to catch some fish now.
Yeah, that's the way it goes. Like when you have your snack in the duck boat, that's when the... Yeah, but they updated it or whatever, and the plastic ones, I guess, don't shoot as nice as the wood ones
Oh, really?
in the 870s.
And yours is painted camel, right?
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm going to paint that one too. I don't see any reason to.
The new carb for that thing, because I think this one, the one that's on, it's still pretty finicky, and it's such a heavy thing to pull start, because that whole flywheel thing turns at the same time, that when you sit there and pull start it more than like 10 times,
Yeah.
it's pain, like it hurts.
Does it?
So I'm like, I'm gonna get a carb for it, because then it's just as good as it should be.
And what's with the Argo? We're still waiting for, or you can't, they're hard to get parts.
and keep it.
35 inches of ice. That's a
Wow.
lot of ice. Wow.
That's a lot of ice. The only other place up there I know that we fish is that one with the campground. It's a part of the Lost and Forgotten video or whatever from a long time ago.
Oh, really?
Went there. You and Sarah went out on the canoe, and I.
Oh,
stayed
yeah.
back.
We really, why don't we fish other lakes up there?
We
You know?
should.
Yep. You come in here and your mom and I, we would go there and we would catch so many freaking sunfish right there. And you could get bass, I mean, all over. It was really pretty then. And then right here, you can go up there. Let's see, can we do there isn't even hardly that many trees on here, but right over on this side here, there's a little spot where you can do I've had fires there more than once and cooked hot dogs. But yeah, you come in, let's see, is that where you... I would also like to bring that boat back up from Louisiana because that has my good trailer. And then a person could just hook onto that with either the four-wheeler or the truck and just go to those little lakes, pop it in with that little... Yeah, it'd be good to work on the boat motor now
Yeah.
before it's... Boats are easy to find. Cheap. Easy.
Yeah, I've seen a few of them pop up for. Well, my buddy has one, but he doesn't have a trailer, and he wants $100 for it. But I want one with the trailer because otherwise, I don't want to have to manhandle it around.
Right.
That's the hard part. But even with the trailers, there's one right in town there. They want like $300 for it.
Do they?
Yeah, it's like just an aluminum.
There was somebody on the channel that had a boat they wanted to get rid of. I don't know if it was with a trailer. I'll have to mention that in the video that you're looking for a smaller boat, like a 14 or 16 footer like we have up at the tent, you know,
Yeah.
boat and trailer, and see what somebody has. You never know what might come up with. We're gonna head back to the house so Zachary can grab those couple of boat motors, and I have a ice auger that I no longer use because I have this one that we used today, so he can take that also. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. Didn't get any fish, but like I said, we had a real fun time. I will see you guys on the next video.